like a relay race. When I run up in the spot, bitches know they place. Slide on a nigga, I'ma need my skates. Social distance, I'ma need my space. I done did it, I won with it. I made peace with my...
Hey y'all, it's Spice. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a makeup tutorial because I haven't done a makeup video in so long. So I was scrolling Pinterest the other day. I saw this look from Beats by Deb, I believe. And I'm like, this is the perfect fall, like, smoky eye look. Mind you, I never do smoky eye and I never do red lips. But anywho, if you want to see how I got this really pretty makeup look, keep watching. Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to be trying to recreate this makeup look. I feel like it's very, like, fall-y. It's like going into fall. And I usually never do, like, dark eyes and smoky eyes and different stuff like that. So I'm like, this would be cute. And I absolutely never wear red lips. So, like, hopefully this looks nice. Don't know what you do to me between... All products will be linked in the description, so make sure you check that out. And I'm gonna try to put it on the screen too, so it's a little easier. In you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I won't please you any way I can. I won't share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from you, best in me. I worry that I wasted the best in me on you, baby. You don't care. This is hurting. Trying to make sense of those chains that be a war in my mind. Let it go away, he was holding me to the right, but it will break up in front of me. All the while, I leave all my feelings. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always inside. Good living in my mind. Hold me on my fears, my name. I really want to. Can we get together? Get together. I really want to stay. I really want to. Can we get together? I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your favorite. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give us something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I'm second checking with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says. my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I get you out of my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed in my heart, my mind, and my body.
So this is the final look. If you like how it came out, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you try it yourself, make sure you tag me. If you made it this far, clearly you're feeling your girl, and I'm feeling you too. Make sure you come back next week for a new video. Later.
The refrigerator. Going in the refrigerator and taking 5 drinks at a time.
And